Hello and welcome back to Disable and Prepping. These are the few items that I was going to say that I'm going to add into my fire kit. So this is the striker and ferro rod set, and it comes all together. So it's all one piece. I just separated it so you can see what it is. So here's the ferro rod. I have striked it to see if it works. This part here is kind of pitted. As you can see, the little indentations, so it doesn't strike as well as I'm sure some of the other parts will, seeing that it's not that way. But I just wanted to make sure that it worked fairly well, so I used that spot to begin with, and I did that so the company could see it. But seeing that this is a copy of another brand, the company that I contacted didn't care, and they are overseas. I'm sure you could probably figure out where it came from. So anyways, this comes, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Nope, my hands are too weak. Alright, so I've got a new lighter. It is a big lighter, not sponsored. This one was supposed to be empty, but there's just a little bit of liquid in it, so it does light. But even if it didn't, it still sparks, so it can shoot sparks onto something. Like if there was, well, if I was outside and not on fabric, I could send some sparks down onto something with an old lighter that doesn't work. So that's going to be included too, because it is a sparking thing. This is the chapstick I was telling you that I found. I don't obviously use them except for making fire starters. So that will be included too, to be used with the Kleenex. Plus I can use the hand sanitizer, like I said. So let's see if I can do this off camera. Okay, I know you're not supposed to use your teeth, but I held it there so I could do this. Now I'm going to try to do this through the camera so I can see and not move the camera around. Alright, so that's together. And it's waterproof, supposedly. I haven't tested that theory, but they have gaskets in there, so I'm pretty sure it is probably waterproof. This is going to be the hardest. Hang on a second. Which way? Huh. Alright, I can't figure out how to do it the other way. Did I have it? Oh, there we go. Haha. Alright, so it comes like this. And it comes with some extras. It's got 2 more gaskets for both spots here and there. So both stay dry. It comes with a little jump ring. So you can attach it here if you want to, so you don't have to use the little lanyard piece. But this is paracord, so it is useful for things. So this is going to go into the kit too. And then the chapstick, I'm going to peel I keep the ones that I'm using with the for myself with the plastic on. Any ones I'm using or that I pick up and I'm using for fire starter, I peel the plastic off, so I know the difference between the two, so I don't accidentally use one that's not for me. And then, like I said, this was a found lighter, so it's all messed up and dirty and scuffed up, but it's got a little bit of liquid in it. And when I picked it up, it would only shoot sparks, but now it's, I guess, maybe dried off enough. So it does have a little bit of tiny little liquid in it. So I'll add that to it because it can still spark. And then I have a full lighter here. Actually, between these 2 lighters, just a little information. Any lighters that come with like a plastic piece over it, that you know all the decorative ones, if you peel that off, they're clear. Well, they're white, but they're a little bit easier to look through than the actual white lighters. And this is one of them, so you can see through it better. If it wasn't all scuffed up, I can see through it better than I can through the camera. But the white lighters versus like these the white lighters that are like these black ones are, what are they? I don't know how to say it. Like a darker white, so you can't see through it as much. But the ones with the wrappers, if you peel the wrapper off, you can see through it better. So you can know exactly how much lighter fluid you have in it. Versus these. Oops, sorry about the dog hair. I brushed her earlier. Guess I didn't get all of it. These, it's too hard to tell how much liquid you have in it. Even with the lighter colors, it's hard to tell in there. So it's best to get the ones with the wrapper and then peel the wrapper off, and then that way you know how much you have. So that was just a little bit more information, but these are all going to go into this kit here. K-Bear smells the stuff that was in the canner, and she really wants some, but she's not going to get it. So that's why she's staring, because she's looking out my bedroom door to hopefully somebody will bring the stuff from the canner to her. Or maybe she's trying to levitate it here. I'm not quite sure. But I'm going to add these to my kit. Again, if there's anything that you see that I could add to it, please let me know. I'm sure there's plenty of things that I haven't put in there yet. But this was just a little update. And already I've gone a little over 6 minutes on just 4 items. So I'm going to let you go. May God bless you to overflowing. And may He keep each and every one of you safe. And your friends and family too. Bye for now.